Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 Update KB5079473, not installing with error codes 0x80070003, 0x80070002, or 0x800771a2d. First, try pausing and resuming Windows Update. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Pause Updates. Then click Resume Updates, and try installing the update again. If the issue continues, restart Windows Update Services. Type Services in the Windows search bar, and open it. Find these services and set them to Automatic, then restart them. App Readiness. Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Windows Update. After restarting these services, go back to Windows Update and click Retry. If it still fails, run System Repair commands. Type CMD in Windows Search, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Run these commands one by one. Wait for each scan to finish, then restart your computer and try the update again. Another solution is to install the update manually. Open the Microsoft Update Catalog website, search for KB5079473, and download the update that matches your Windows version and system type. You can check your version by typing WinVer in Windows Search. Install the downloaded update file and restart your PC. If the problem still continues, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, and choose Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall Windows while keeping your apps and files. As a final method, you can use the Windows 11 Media Creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade, which reinstalls Windows without deleting your data. One of these methods should help fix the update installation error. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.